Hi folks, we've been busy researching violins for beginners to help you figure out what you need to make your best audio and video content and stay on budget. Links to all the products in the review are in the description box below, where you'll find current pricing for your region wherever possible. The video has timestamps so that you can jump straight to the violin that interests you the most. Now before I move on, we'd love to hear what violin you're using right now and what you think of it. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best violins for beginners. The fifth product on our list is the Pyle PGVILN100. The Pyle violin is a solid wood-bodied violin that is perfect for beginners who are looking for a quality instrument. It features a maple body and back, giving you a bright, loud and transparent sound. The maple construction also gives you durability, as this wood is solid and dense. A metal pull plate between the rosin allows for more friction between the strings and bow, resulting in a more audible sound. This is a full-sized violin, making it ideal for musicians aged 12 and above, so you can keep playing as you grow. The violin's finish is 90% glossy and 10% matte. This gives you a nice overall texture that protects your instrument from scratches. The strings material is steel alloy, which will last you for a long time. They're durable, so you won't have to worry about them snapping when you're tuning. This Pyle violin comes with all the accessories you'll need. This includes a clip-on tuner, extra strings, a shoulder rest, a bow and a cleaning cloth. Travelling and storing your instrument will be convenient with Pyle's foamed hard case. If you're planning on learning at home, you'll be happy to know that Pyle includes a 2-month subscription to online music lessons to get you started. Here's something you should know before buying the Pyle violin. This is a full-sized violin, so it can be a bit large for younger musicians. If you're looking for a fantastic beginner's violin, the Pyle PGVILN100 will give you plenty of bang for your buck. The fourth product on our list is the Bunnel Pupil violin. The Bunnel Pupil from Kennedy Violins is an exquisite instrument with high quality construction. This violin boasts a spruce top, which is an excellent choice as it is a well-rounded tone wood, making it suitable for different genre or styles of playing. The back is maple, which offers sufficient weight, resonance and sturdiness that your instrument will need. The Bunnel Pupil features a satin oil finish, which is delicate but also affords your violin with added resonance. 4 professional quality built-in fine tuners are on the composite tailpiece. This will help you quickly and accurately tune your instrument. The Pupil violin has pre-installed D'Addario Prelude strings which have a steel core and sound fantastic. Bunnel also includes an extra set of Portland strings so you can replace them quickly. You get a Giuliani rosin and a soft string cleaning cloth. Another excellent inclusion is the Giuliani bow, which has a solid Brazil wood shaft with a half-mounted ebony frog. There's a leather grip to help you grasp the bow better and a silver winding. Finally, the bow uses high-grade Mongolian horsehair pre-rosined so you can start playing right out of the box. Of course, travelling is made easy with a hard protective case. The case features 2 satin-lined rotating bow holders. You'll also find strong Velcro straps to hold your violin and a hygrometer for humidity measurement. There's a spacious compartment for your accessories and the handle is ergonomic along with backpack straps for easy carrying. Here's something you should know before buying the Bunnel Pupil violin. This is a 3/4 sized violin, so it may be a bit small for older musicians. If you're looking for a top-notch beginner's violin, you can't go wrong with the Bunnel Pupil violin. The third product on our list is the Z Strad 101. The Z Strad 101 is a full-sized violin with a superior tone you're sure to love. The handcrafted instrument boasts excellent construction with carefully chosen tone woods. You'll enjoy how the Z Strad uses a spruce top, giving you a tight grain and a maple back for natural, bright and loud sound. The fingerboard is made from ebony, which is a durable choice for the job as it can withstand years of wear and tear. You'll notice that the 101 boasts an excellent varnish finish, giving your violin a nice feel. This instrument is fitted with ebony pegs, a chin rest and an end button. The tailpiece is set up in vintner style with 4 built-in fine tuners for easy and accurate tuning. The sound of this violin is where it really shines. The Z Strad 101 produces a warm and round tone with a luxurious sound that will sound great in any genre or style you play in. You'll appreciate that this violin comes equipped with all you need to get started. There's a Brazil wood bow, a shoulder rest and rosin. You also get a protective case with enough space for your violin and accessories to fit snugly. Here's something you should know before buying the Z Strad 101. Some users may dislike that it doesn't come with a free lesson subscription. If you're looking for a great quality violin for beginners, look no further than the Z Strad 101. The second product on our list is the Cecilio CVN-600. The Cecilio CVN-600 is a beginner's violin that will grow with you as you become a fully fledged violinist. The CVN-600 is full-sized, making it suitable for musicians aged 12 and above. It features a hand-carved construction that uses spruce for the top, giving you a tight grain pattern with a well-rounded dynamic range. The back is maple, so you get a durable instrument with expansive resonance that you're sure to enjoy. The oil-rubbed finish gives your violin a different but pleasing look. The fingerboard is ebony, so you can expect a smooth surface while shifting between notes. The pegs, chin rest and tailpiece are also ebony, giving you durability and matching the fingerboard's aesthetics. The Cecilio violin is strung with D'Addario prelude strings, so you can start playing right out of the box. You'll love how this beginner violin comes with all the accessories you need to start. It comes with 2 Brazil wood bows, a detachable tuner and rosin. There's also a lesson book and a protective oblong case with a hygrometer to measure humidity. Finally, there's an adjustable shoulder rest and an extra bridge. Here's something you should know before buying the Cecilio CVN-600. Some users note that the strings may not be suitable for performing musicians. If you're in the market for a beginner's violin that looks and sounds great, the Cecilio CVN-600 is an excellent choice. The first product on our list is the Bunnel G2. The Bunnel G2 from Kennedy Violins is an excellent full-sized violin for both beginners and professionals. This high-quality instrument features a tight-grained Himalayan spruce top with a maple back, giving you a well-rounded, transparent tone that will suit various genre and playing styles. The bridge is custom fit and made of high-grade maple to give you a smooth and easy playing experience. The fittings are genuine ebony, which includes the polished fingerboard and the pegs. You'll love the Bunnel G2's hand-rubbed oil finish, giving it an authentic violin feel and sound. Kennedy Violins gives you a complete package at a very affordable price. This includes an excellent Giuliani Premier bow, which features a Brazil wood shaft with Mongolian horsehair. It also has a mounted ebony frog accented with flamed abalone. The grip is leather for an easier hold. The Bunnel G2 is pre-strung with D'Addario prelude strings, but you also get a set of Portland strings in case you need to replace them. Kennedy Violins includes a Portland Gold acoustical shoulder rest, an intro to violin booklet, rosin and a microfiber cleaning cloth. Finally, the protective case does a great job at keeping your violin secure in storage or when travelling. There's an accessory and shoulder rest compartment to keep your gear tidy, 2 satin-lined rotating bow holders and a velour interior which keeps your violin snug and free from scratches. It's also easy to carry the case with its 2 adjustable backpack straps. Here's something you should know before buying the Bunnel G2. The chin rest can dig into the violin. If you're looking for a fantastic beginner's violin that you can use for years to come, the Bunnel G2 is a superb choice. And there you have it, folks, the 5 violins for beginners that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hitting the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, check out this one on acoustic guitars for beginners on the left, or this one on electric guitars for beginners on the right. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.